BMW fault code 101F01 is related to the air mass system, specifically indicating an issue with the air mass sensor. This sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and helps ensure the correct fuel-to-air ratio for optimal performance. When this code appears, it often means that the sensor is sending incorrect readings or has failed entirely. Common symptoms include poor engine performance, increased fuel consumption, and even stalling. To fix this issue, check the air filter. A clogged air filter can restrict airflow, leading to erroneous sensor readings. If it's dirty, replace it with a new one. Inspect the air mass sensor. The sensor may be dirty or damaged. Use an air mass sensor cleaner to clean it gently. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, consider replacing the sensor. Check for air leaks. Inspect the intake system for any leaks. Even a small leak can cause the sensor to malfunction, triggering the fault code. Clear the code. Once you've addressed the potential issues, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the fault code. If the code reappears, further diagnostic work may be needed. For those who aren't comfortable performing these steps themselves, it's advisable to consult with a certified BMW mechanic. Ignoring this fault code can lead to more serious engine problems down the line, so it's important to address it promptly.